Greetings, everyone. Today we are going to see how you can be alerted whenever something wrong happens on one of your Xano instances. To do so, we will use NC Scale. NC Scale is a great tool for monitoring no-code tools such as Xano, but also Make, Zapier, or Airtable, and many more. First, make sure you have an account on NC Scale. If you do have one, connect yourself. You will then need to create your first tool on NC Scale. Let's select Xano in the list, and it will ask you for an API key. To get an API key on Xano, it's really simple. All you have to do is to go to your instance selector on Xano, and then click on Metadata API, then Manage Access Token, and create a new token if you don't have any. NC Scale will need all readable permissions, and only readable permission, so you can uncheck everything and then check only readable permissions. You will need to name your token. Let's say Demo Token. Let's create the token, copy it, and make sure to not lose this token because Xano won't show you the token ever again. Let's go back to NC Scale and paste the token in the field. Now let's select the instance and let's connect. You are going to be redirected to the Connect Center of your Xano instance. And as you can see, NC Scale is already in the list thanks to the integration we have with Xano. Let's click on Connect. It will open a pop-up. Then let's select the tool you have created and click on Continue. After a few seconds, NC Scale will be activated on your Xano instance. Here you can configure which type of information Xano send to NC Scale. So if you only want to be alerted using NC Scale for only the Xano API calls, and not the tasks, just disable what you don't want Xano to send to NC Scale. For our case, let's say that we want to send everything. Now, on the NC Scale side, you can see that the tool is connected. Now, I want to be alerted when an error occurs on Xano. For now, you will see that there is nothing yet because Xano send anything for now on NC Scale since I just created it. Let's create an alert. You will see how simple it is. Let's type Tool and select the Xano instance we want. As you can see, it auto-complete itself. I want to be alerted when there is an error, so let's type and severity, and let's choose error. Now, click on the drop-down button and save as alert. By doing so, I'll create what we call an alert that will automatically be triggered when any logs are confirming both conditions are met. Let's name it and save. Now we can set up anything we want. You can edit your alert conditions if you want, enable or disable it. Now, what we want is to be notified when an error occurs. Let's add a new channel, and let's say that I want to be alerted by email. I just need to enter my email here and save it. If I want, I can customize the message of the email, or I can just let it be by default. I will be receiving an email to notify me when there is an error happening on my Xano. And that's it, guys.